Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from BJ Land. And in this class, I want us to talk about how to use if error as a function. Maybe when doing a calculation or dealing with the errors within Excel cells. So in my screen here, we have a table with the 5 columns. We have type of fruits, we have unit price, we have quantity, we have weekend day, and we have total amount. So to get total amount, I will multiply unit price times quantity. So before we use if error, let's try to just do the calculation of total amount. So it will be b 3 times or multiply by c3. Then let's flash fill this formula downwards. So within this column, you can see we have value errors. So value errors are coming from the quantity column where we have non-numerical values. So assuming this table was thousands of rows, so you cannot check them one by one, but you can always replace the value errors using if error. So let's see how we can use if error to replace these value errors within our calculation. So we'll type here is equal to, then we type if error. Then now we need to determine the values. The value is total amount, so we'll say b3 times b2. That one is for the first row of this table. Then if that value is giving an error, we want it to be 0 instead of writing error. So here we'll write 0, then we close the bracket, then we enter. So now we can flash fill the formula down, and then now you can see where we have the where we had the value errors. Now they have been replaced with zeros. So that's how to use value error. And thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next class.